Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to give you an update on the Giggle versus Tickle appeal. So this is currently in the Federal Court of Australia. It's gone up for appeal. I just want to show you what's been happening. So there's all these processes. I'm just scrolling down to the online file. Now there's a couple of very interesting things happening here. First of all, we have these interveners. Now these are parties that are not related to the case that want to have a say on the case. So I'm actually highlighting here Free Speech Union of Australia, the Lesbian Action Group, the Australian Christian Lobby, the Australian Human Rights Commissioner. They all have applied and have been approved to be able to intervene or have a say in this matter. And they've also got legal representation, which is what I'm showing you here. Now, the other interesting thing about this is that it's due to be heard on the 4th of August, starting on the 4th of August for a 4-day trial from the 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. And it will determine whether the judge has made the right decision. Now, they haven't actually given us any of the documents, so we can't see any of the documents at the moment as being what's been filed. But you can see that there have been a lot of documents that have been filed and by all the parties. So this is already a big case. Now, the other interesting thing is that there are some orders that were done. So you can see that there's been some administrative listings. So I'm just going to click on this. And it says, so it was dated the 4th of July. So by consent, so that means that all the parties agreed that the order dated 25th of January for the respondent to file their submissions was extended to the 7th of July. Order 4 extended the time for the respondents to file and serve. Its chronology was extended to the 8th of July. Order 5 of the orders extending the time for the Sex Discrimination Commissioner to file their outline was extended to the 11th of July. 5A and 5B was talking about that the submissions can be no longer than 10 pages. Any submissions in reply to a respondent's submissions on an appeal referred to above is no more than 5 pages, and that's extended to the 17th of July. And Order 5C, dated 23rd of May, for the appellants to file and serve any submissions in response to Sex Discrimination Commissioner submissions at 3 be no more than 5 pages and be extended to the 18th of July 2025, and that was on the 4th of July. So there are still some things that are ticking away with this, but as you can see, the file is pretty big at the moment. So this is all going to be heard on the 4th of August, and look, it will take months for a decision. But it's going to be very interesting, and I don't know whether they're going to be live streaming it or anything, or what's going to be happening there. But watch this space, and I'll be sure to give you an update. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.